We're now going to the first floor again. Padaanan mo lang. Ito na yung papuntang basement. Lahat ng gamit namin from the old house, dinalagay namin dito. So this is the basement. This is another family room actually. All the gifts are here. Nate, Caitlin, come on, show yourself. Come on, we're gonna bring it to the Philippines. Come on, come here.
Show.
We'll show it to the Philippines.
Look at this, man.
Nate, show yourself.
Keep asking me if there's something bothering me.
Okay.
Well, there is.
Okay, that's Marisol's office.
I won't talk about it.
This is Marisol's office. She has a new business.
My dad is saying.
This is Cookie Lee, Fashion Jewelries. And we're also starting a coffee business. A Boresha organic coffee. That's why she needs an office. Okay, these are my kids. Say hi.
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 We want to go to the Philippines?
No.
Why no?
I like you. I like.
You want to go to the Philippines?
Daddy.
Oh yeah, say hi.
Hi. Again.
Ito yung pinaka-home theater namin.
Seeing isn't believing. Believing is seeing.
May home theater na to, may surround system to all throughout. Nandito.
Ho, ho, ho. The Santa Claus 2 will be right back. Cute.
Now we're going here.
Believe this.
Pag may bisita, dito lahat ilalagay ang pagkain. This is also granite.
Happy New Year,
Lahat ng granite.
hosted by the video.
You sent it. This year, you'll be watching and announcing what you voted for as your favorites of 2007.
Tapos merong bar dito. Kung gusto mag-inuman, nandito. Ito lahat, may mga wine din dyan. Now we're going to muna tayong guest room. Dito sa kaliwa, ito yung pinaka main guest room. Para kay Bungot. Pag nagpunta din eh. Turn the light. This is the Caitlin's guest room for Caitlin's friend. Okay. Now si Nita nagpapiano na. Now ito yung pinaka-playroom nila. Can also pwede rin may isang pwede matulog. Yeah. Yeah. Ito may TV pa rin dito. Pwede sila maglaro ng computer. Why? Why? Okay. Miguel, maraming toys dito. You can play with Nathan. Tell Miguel. You play with Nathan. You play with Miguel. Come on, we'll go to the other room. Now, so, may dalawang bedrooms doon, tapos meron pa dito. There's another bathroom. This is another bathroom.
I'm yelling at Pee-Pee right now.
Right.
Ay, Bumba!
Tapos dito sa loob nito, nandito ang control ng lahat ng, ano bang tawag dito sa mga to? Yung control ng mga music for all, sa lahat ng, sa bahay, sa buong bahay. Dito nakatago. Hindi pa siya maayos. Going here is another bedroom. This is Chicky Boy's bedroom. Ito yung kay Chicky Boy na kwarto, pinakamalinis. And this is the storage room. This can be converted to a bedroom too. Tapos na tayo. Okay, tapos na.